Hey y'all, I'm gonna make some pampas grass because it's all the rage right now, and we're gonna be using this cotton twine, which is 100% cotton, and I got this roll at Kroger's for $2.49. And then obviously you need some scissors, and then just a piece of cardboard that you could just cut into a shape similar to this, because we're gonna have different sizes, and obviously this would be the smallest, and then the middle size and the big size, and you're gonna want to make at least 6 of each size, and I will show you how to do that. But this is what they look like after you tie them off. Okay, and I am going to use these long pieces of dried sticks. They are from when I cut them down early spring from my grass outside, but I think they kind of look like the sticks and the ends to pampas grass. So we're going to see if those work. And I have like 10 of these in different sizes. So they look like this. And then what we're going to do is roll some of this twine and just take your little thing, and we're doing one more small one, so you're just going to wrap it around this, and then I do about 15 times around. So okay, and then you're just going to cut it. This so you have a piece like that. Pull this off, and then we're just going to take the little piece that we cut and stick it through and just tie a little knot in it to secure it at the top. It's going to make our little tassel / pampas leaf. So we're just going to tie them in a little knot like that, and you just have a little ring of, and then we're just going to take our scissors and cut it. And then you come up with this, and then at the end we will take a brush or a comb, and since this is cotton we can fluff it all out, but you can kind of see, these are all the same size. You can kind of see how, when you put them on, how they're gonna look once you get them all. And these are all, like I said, the smallest ones. So I did 6 of those, and now we're gonna do 6 medium and then 6 large. Since my stick is a little bigger than what they were using in one of the videos that I saw, his name is Justinwray, W-R-A-Y. Thank you, Justin. It's a great idea because everybody loves pampas grass, but they don't want to pay the price. But he used a dowel rod, or you can also use, I have some as a matter of fact right here. Let me grab them. Or you can get these at the dollar store. These are the bamboo skewers, so you could easily just wrap it in twine to make it look like a more finished look, or use a dowel rod. But I thought that these would look good because they look more real, so I may have to end up cutting more of these to fill it up. And then I also have some yarn that I could use, some macrame cord, which this would be really pretty. I may do one, but I don't want to waste it because this macrame cord's kind of expensive. But we'll see. We'll see how the stick works. Worst case scenario, I have these two. So let me go ahead and finish one off, and then I'll come back and let you guys know. But you're going to want to do different, a small, medium, and large in these, and 6 each, and then have something that you can glue them onto. And then, like I said, you can get this. I think it's 420 feet of cotton cord, and it was in the hardware section at my Kroger marketplace. And then they also have this. If you are new to macrame and you want to try it, they also have this 100-foot cotton clothesline, which you can get clothesline places, but a lot of times it's not always the right material. Like this is polypropylene, so this is actually cotton, which is the most similar to my actual macrame cord. This is just a little softer. But if you're new to macrame or new to crafting, $2.49 is all I paid for that and for this. So stay tuned, I'll be back. Okay, so just so you know, the sizes that we're going for, and you get your different sizes from wrapping at the smaller end, the medium end, and then the big end. And actually, since I have a bigger stick, because it's pretty long, and it's actually a dried piece of my snake grass that's out front, so it was from the winter. I went ahead and did the small and mediums on this one. So this is the small, and then this is the medium, and obviously we'll brush them all out and I'll show you how to do that. So there's the small and the medium, and then this one is the large. So it's quite a bit bigger, but since I have more of a stick to put it on instead of these smaller little bamboo skewers, I think I needed to have a bigger one. So I just switched from this one. I did the smalls down here and the mediums here, and I did 6 of each. And then I switched to this piece of cardboard and wrapped it around from here to here to make it to make this big one. So, and I'm gonna do, I have 2 of these, so I'm gonna do some more, and then I will probably brush them out first, because I'm afraid if I glue them on first, even if I hold this piece after I glue it on, I'm afraid that when I use the brush that to get the nice fluffy pampas grass look, I'm afraid that it might pull it off. So I think I'm going to brush mine out before I glue them on, and then I'll let you know how that goes. It's I'm kind of thinking out loud as I do it. But again, I want to thank Justin Ray, it's W-R-A-Y, for the idea, because pampas grass is really hot right now, along with macrame and boho, bohemian style right now. So this is going to be such a cost saver if it works. So stay with me and we'll see how it goes. I'll be right back. Okay, here is what they look like, all cut. So now I'm going to assemble them. So I will be back in just a minute. Okay, another thing I'm going to show you is I got this dog brush at Dollar Tree for $1, still has the tag on it. So when you get one of these done with the Kroger twine that I got in the home department, they look like this. So if you use the brush, you can get it to fan out. Look how much prettier this is. See how the strings are coming apart? It's going to look much more like pampas grass than this. Pampas, I'm not quite sure how to say it. Anyway, so all you do is you just take the brush and you just want to go over. You can use a comb too. The dog brush works really good. Some people think that a comb works good. Also, this Goodies brush, and no, that's not dog hair, that's yarn. This works good too. It really just depends which one you prefer. I think the dog brush works the best and the quickest of getting out. But look how pretty that is. And then that's what it looked like originally. So it really doesn't take any time at all. You just want to go over it really good. It's actually kind of satisfying. And just flip it over and do both sides and just get it until you're happy with it. So, and then when we're all done, you can shape them a little bit more. But I mean, look at that. That's gonna look so cool when I have all of those compared at that. Look at the difference. The difference. Pretty. And like I said, I'm going to brush mine out, the majority of them out beforehand, because I'm afraid if I glue them on the stick, even if I hold down in the middle, I'm afraid that they might pull off. So I think I'll get the majority of them brushed out and shaped the way I want. But look at how pretty. All of them, look at the difference. All of that from a dog brush. And I will tell you that macrame artists who you buy the nicer yarn and stuff from, like this, they do sell these, and they may have like their name on the back or whatever, but just go to Dollar Tree. $1. It's the exact same thing, and it saves you a bunch of money. And we're all about saving money. So stay tuned. I'm gonna actually put something for dinner on for the boys, and then I'm going to take one of my dried sticks, because I love to find things in nature, and I did rinse these off. I do have some clear coat poly that I think I might do, but I'm not going to do that yet. I want to see if it'll actually work. But these just have such a naturalness to them that I really think that if I can make this work, that it would look really pretty with those all the way up and down it. So stay tuned. I'll be back.